Before plugging in, you may want to think twice. Juwan here, your account executive with Social Engineer with today's 60-second tip. Have you ever been traveling and realized that you forgot to bring your charging cable? What do? Now you see a free USB charging port, a charging station you want to plug right in. Well, be careful because you may not be just transferring power, you could be transferring data. Because threat actors sometimes will use those devices to install malware and extract your personal information off your device. So what can you do to be safe? Well, you want to carry a charging only cable with you when you travel, one that prevents data transmission. And if you can, try to purchase an external battery pack that fits well into your carry-on luggage or to your personal effects. And if it's a USB connection needed, make sure that there's one that has a USB a data blocker on it. That way that prevents that additional data transmission. Yes, be safe while traveling at all times. For more information, feel free to visit our website below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.